Hi, in this last video I want to present the last few things that I added before the release of the game, the final submission. So main thing that was needed is that we needed 3 levels and we need a way to traverse through them, and we also needed a way to transition back and forth between levels since it's supposed to be an open world. So what I made is those transition doors. So in this case there are like they are black cubes that are triggers. They have no mesh. They have no colliders. But if needed, the mesh renderer can be turned off, so the trigger will be completely invisible in game. But after we walk into the door, it will transition us to the next scene with the fade out and fade in effect. Besides that, there's a door that I also made. But yeah. Also, it retains the amount of coins and player stats between levels. So, for example, in the top right corner, you can see I have 15 coins. Even though we change scenes, I can collect the coin here and change to 16, and then go back to the door and appear in front of the door I just walked through in level 1. With the enemies back, and the coins still stay the same. So yeah, thank you.